You can say stuff, and many of you mothers been saying stuff over your kids and not realizing that what you're saying is connecting. You're worthless like your papa.